Hey guys, I am so excited. I just received my RENPHO AI cycling bike and Max has volunteered to help me put it together downstairs, so let's go. What's also really nice is, well, really nice and also really shitty is our current apartment building that we moved into is supposed to have a gym and currently it is just a big old open room, so I put the bike down there. So if you're wondering why I'm in a room of nothingness, that is the explanation. Also, if you're new here, hi, my name is Brittany. I'm a professional dancer and actress in Los Angeles, and I like to make you laugh, so if that sounds fun, make sure you hit subscribe so you can see me whenever I post. Here it is. All right, get to work. Ooh, she is done. We love it. This actually took me and Max like 15 minutes to put together. It was so easy, I can't even believe it. Next I have to download an app called AI Gym so that I can connect it to this bike and start working out. The honest to God best thing about the RENPHO is that it comes with a free membership and free like workout exercises, which is unheard of with these at-home bikes. I feel like everyone makes you pay so much money for the bike and then even more money to like get programs and workouts and stuff, which is gonna add up over time. So what's interesting about the RENPHO bike is unlike other brands that use magnetic resistance, RENPHO has developed a reverse engineered resistance tech which allows for faster, smoother, and more precise resistance. So when you're doing one of their workouts, you don't have to go in and manually crank the resistance up. You can just trust that it's gonna do it. If you do wanna do like somebody else's workout that isn't one of theirs, just spin dial, it's so easy to use. RENPHO isn't gatekeepy about their connection abilities. They actually work with all of these different indoor cycling apps. That's amazing. Okay. She's paired. Okay, so little test run on the bike, 10 minutes. It's definitely hard. I'm gonna do a little challenge. How many days of a challenge should I do, babe?
3.
3-day challenge, great.
In a row.
Okay, maybe for 1 week, I'm gonna try to cycle every day, see how I improve, and tell you guys how I feel, because right now, I did 10 minutes and I am having a heart attack, so hopefully it gets better from here. I'll check back in with you tomorrow. Okay, so second official workout is done. It's really hard. Max just did one too. I feel like I'm dying of a heart attack, but then I look at my Apple Watch and it says I only burned 100 calories, so I'm hoping that it's just not done calibrating how much I burned because I feel like I'm not gonna be able to walk. But again, it's only day 2, so we're at the beginning of the journey. Hey guys, fun update. So me and Max have been living in our new place for a couple of months now and the gym was just never filled with equipment, which is why the RENPHO bike was just like in an empty room. And of course in the middle of filming my YouTube video, the gym equipment was all delivered. So luckily I caught them filling up the gym and I asked them if they could keep space for my bike and they did. So I just felt like I needed to tell you guys this so you weren't like, why was she in an empty room and now the room is full? Because that's strange. Anyway, I'm gonna go cycle now, so bye. Okay, so up to this point, I've been doing a bunch of the power courses on the AI Gym app, but this time I tried to do a video course and I loved it. It's nice having someone kind of yell at you and tell you what to do and the resistance changing at the same time in the dial. I think I might be doing video from now on. I will say it's getting easier. I mean, it's still hard, but I don't feel like my quads are gonna pop off, so that's a plus. Hi guys, this is the end of my week with the RENPHO Cycle AI bike, and I'm gonna give my honest reviews, the pros, the cons, the good, the bad, the ugly. Overall, really enjoyed my experience with the RENPHO bike. I never really was attracted to cycling before, but if you guys have watched me for any time, or maybe you haven't, you can go look for this video, but I actually have some nerve damage in my foot that still hasn't really been figured out, and running for me isn't the option it used to be, unfortunately, so it's nice that I found this cycle and kind of like integrated it into my gym workout experience so that I don't feel like I have to totally give up cardio 100%. So I guess that's my first pro of the RENPHO bike and cycling in general is it's way easier on your joints, your body, your ligaments, your muscles. Running can just be so, I don't know, you're just slamming your whole body into the ground, and if you're running on a bad surface, I don't know about you guys, but I've suffered from shin splints even before the nerve damage in my foot, and that shit sucks. You really gotta take care of your body if you wanna use it for the long haul, so cycling is a great option for that. Another great thing about the RENPHO bike specifically is it's pretty compact and small, so it's not going to take up a ton of space if you live in a smaller place like an apartment or something, whereas if you bought any other form of equipment, like a treadmill or an elliptical, they're pretty big. Another great thing about owning your own bike at home is you can work out whenever you want, and life is still pretty weird for the most of us. I mean, some of us are back at work, some of us are still working from home, some it's like a mashup of the two, so it's nice having that flexibility because life is rather unpredictable. Something about the RENPHO specifically that is amazing is it is so affordable. Compared to other bikes on the market right now, it is not even half the price, like 1/4 of the price, and the workouts are free and the AI is free. It's just a win-win. I mean, no offense to Peloton, and I don't know why I whispered that like Peloton is in my room with me right now. The other bikes on the market, it's just, it kind of seems like you're buying a Gucci belt when like a regular belt will keep your pants on and probably last longer. Sometimes you're just paying for a name. Okay, so now that we've gone over my pros, I'm gonna give you guys my cons because you know I'm always gonna give you my honest opinion. So the first con would be you're going to burn fewer calories on a bike than you would, say, a treadmill or other forms of working out, maybe like going to a class or doing a HIIT workout or something like that. So if you want to hit like a certain calorie burn, you might have to stay on the bike for longer than you would other forms of working out. Another con is biking really targets the lower body. So it's kind of a, I almost said a one-sided workout, but like a half body workout. And for me, I really feel it in my quads. I know it works your butt and your calves and stuff too, but it's like my quads, man, when I cycle. It's really focusing, but maybe that means I need to work on my quads. I'm having an existential crisis. But those are really the only two cons I thought of. They don't have to do with the RENPHO bike specifically because I think it is a great piece of equipment. It has to do with cycling as a form of exercise more so. But as you can tell, the pros heavily outweigh the cons. So for the future, moving forward, I think I'm gonna use the bike alongside with weightlifting because I really like to be able to incorporate cardio in my workout, but I want to be able to build muscle all over my body. So let me know what you guys think about this review. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and give me some comments below if you guys are interested in trying out this bike or have any questions. I'd love to answer them. If you like this face, make sure you subscribe so you can see me next time. Bye.